What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'm going to give you a free music video transition pack that you can use in your music videos and make your videos looking good. These transitions are in format of preset. It means you can use it in any version of Adobe Premiere without any issues. For using this transition you don't need any plugin to install. These transitions are completely free. I mentioned the download link in the description below, must check it out. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere. I just dropped our two footages right here. I downloaded it from Inventor. You can also get the link in the description below if you want it. So the first thing we need to do is to import our preset in our Premiere. For that we need to go to the effects panel. So here we got our preset folder right here. If we drop down here and right click here, we got an option of import preset. Just click on it and now select the file that I actually share with you. Just open it and after a few seconds it just appear in your effects folder like that. So before moving further with this video, let me introduce you our today's sponsor is Minitool Movie Maker. So Minitool is actually a free video editing software for a beginner or vlogger. So if you just start up your career in a video editing, then Minitool it just help you a lot to make your video more easily. They actually give you a simple tools that actually help you to make your video more realistic and just a time-saving process. Here is the interface of Minitool Movie Maker. As you can see, the interface of software is really simple and clean. Everything is categorized. As you can see, the first option is media. In a media you can just drag and drop your media and just start up your work. They can also give you some free music right here. You can also import your music and you can also download some video or music from YouTube. So the second option they are providing you is transitions. They are providing some really cool transitions right here. So if you are working on a small project or you're just a beginner, then this transition is really good for you. They can also provide you some effects right here. You can also choose Instagram effects right here, motion blur, and there are a lot of the effects right here. You can also add a custom text in a Minitool. You can also select one of the best tools for you and you can just drag and drop and you're done within a few seconds. And the other option they are providing is motion. Like if you are just dropping your footage, let me show you. And now if I apply this one of the effect, as you can see, they are just moving my footage like that. So it's actually the good motion effects they are putting in a Minitool. And the last option they are providing is elements. They are putting some more elements. You can choose whatever you want. So overall Minitool is one of the best video editing free software for a beginner. So if you just start up your career, then I really recommend you this software. Link in the description below, must check it out. So I really recommend you go with adjustment layer. You can also go directly with your main footage, but it's not a really accurate method to use these transitions because later if you need changings in your main footages, then it may be more difficult to change. Here we have an adjustment layer. This transitions working with 20 frames per second, 10 frames on each side. So for that we just need to hold shift and the right arrow key, and here we have a 10 frame on right side. Just make a cut right here by pressing Ctrl K and delete the extra layer, go back, make a cut right here by pressing Ctrl K again, and now press hold shift and left arrow key, and here we got a 10 frame on left side as well. Make a cut, Ctrl K and delete an extra layer. So here we have a two adjustment layer, 10 frame on each side. Now just go to the effects and here we got a folder camera shake transition. So let's try this first one. So here we have two different files right here. So the first file is for the second adjustment layer and the second file is for the first adjustment layer. So here we are just in our second adjustment layer, so I just drop it for the second adjustment layer, and the second file is for our first adjustment layer. So here we go, let's preview it. So as you can see, a beautiful transition added in our footage. So it's actually usable for a music videos, vlog videos, and also for your YouTube videos. If you like this transition, you can also increase or decrease the duration of transition by increasing or decreasing the length of this adjustment layer. And also you can change the complete thing right here. Just go to the effects control, select your adjustment layer, and here you can see we have all thing that we can apply for this transition. So these transitions are really cool to use if you are working on a music video. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this transition. If you like this transitions, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you have any question about this transition, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.